gonna stretch them out. Ellie's my partner. She's gonna grab one end. We're gonna come over here. We're gonna put them on the middle of the watermelon. We're gonna go to the table, get more rubber bands, get to the back of the line. We gotta move fast.
We're doing 2 at a time?
If you can do 3 or 4 at a time, let's try it. But I need also one person. Do you want to do rubber band tally? Yep. Your job right there. So your job is to tell the rubber band person how many rubber bands you put on the watermelon. Because we do want to find out how many it actually takes to explode. Are we ready to get started? Yeah! Okay, but how many total? Once again, more too.
Could somebody please hold this?
$107.
200.
200.
284.
284.
112.
112. 115.
I'm gonna go on Optimus 210.
210. Okay, okay.
284.
212.
No, 284.
Oh,
153.
153. Okay.
180. 148.
148.
127.
Awesome. Okay.
I think I got one.
You got one now?
130.
130. Okay. I didn't hear your guess.
240.
240. I can't ask you.
I'm keeping mine in my head.
Okay, it's a secret. Anybody else want to share their guess? All right, drum roll. Official count?
192.